Hello, and thanks for the time. Pipelines are not slow because they are broken. They are slow because they are overloaded. Everything is running simultaneously. Every job, every transformation, and every process is competing for the same finite resources. When performance drops, the reaction is predictable. If it is slow, the design must be wrong. So the answer is to rebuild it. That is not the problem. Too much is running that does not need to exist. The moment you trace what actually drives outcomes, most of the activity disappears. A small set of processes is doing almost all of the real work. Remove what is not used and prioritize what matters, and the environment changes immediately. Execution becomes aligned instead of congested. Pipelines start moving faster without being rewritten. Compute drops because the system is no longer wasting effort. This is not a rebuild problem. It is a discipline problem. Stop running what does not matter and let the system flow. Follow Medicato. See how performance improves without rebuilding.